Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Avalanche AVAX daily update, so we are going to see some important stuff right there, and of course if we are about to make it to our previous high or not. Okay, so thank you for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are, hit the like button, subscribe, and also join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. So let's see right now a little bit of a GAN fund tool and the Fibonacci retracement. The GAN funds, according to the GAN fund, there are so many videos out there that will tell you that you need to draw a 45-degree angle from the top or the bottom, and then the one has to collide with the 45-degree angle, or where you have to lock in your price to bar ratio. These are nonsense. All of these actually are nonsense. Okay, do not believe any of that. Just use the GAN box method that we had in our previous videos, and you can see that I have squared the chart from this top right here down to this bottom. If we form a new bottom, then I will have to redraw my GAN fund tool. For the time being, it is all good, it is all great. This is the GAN fund resistance lines, and you can see now we are at the 1.2. Okay, we are at the 1.2, not 1.2, sorry guys, 1 unit of price per 2 units of time. We are at this line right here on this resistance line. You can see that this is the one. I will just color it with the yellow so you can see it more clearly. Let's go to the settings and we can go to the style, and you can see that the 1.2 we can use it with the yellow. So there we are. We have this as a resistance level, you can see here. And if we go past above, we might be actually getting here. Okay, so if we were to go above, by the time on 5 September, we should be going at 48. By the time of 7 September, if we are much slower, maybe we can go to the 46 Tether USD. That's it. If we go above to the 1 line. For now we are at the 1.2. you can see that we cannot surpass this line easily. We are finding resistance there, and we have some important stuff going on. For example, we have the 46, 48.58, 43.15 in case we do not close above, and we have one more resistance, the 51 Tether USD for the short term. If we are about to close below the 38, then we are probably going to the 33 Tether USD for Avalanche. Okay, so right now let's go to the 4-hour frame on the RSI risk metrics. You can see now we are having on the RSI pattern a lower high, lower low. You can see that's the reason we are dropping right now. Lower highs, you can see this one line connecting the tops, I will tell you now, and lower lows. Okay, so we are on a descending wedge, and of course for the RSI pattern, this is very huge. We always need to check the patterns, guys. We always need to check the patterns. For the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought, and that is the most I think bearish thing for AVAX right now. The most bearish thing is that we were in an overbought situation for the stochastic RSI, and we cannot seem to close above the 50-day EMA again. Okay, but anyway, we will be seeing some further details for AVAX. Right now it is looking like we might be going a little bit further and further down. We will be seeing about that. Let's go to the daily frame, and on the daily frame, guys, we had actually, if you go here, we had a perfect selling opportunity from the SSL hybrid, not a buying opportunity. Again, as we are going a little bit down, we are now on the red zone right here. On the daily frame, we are in an extreme oversold situation. That is something that is pretty cool for AVAX. If we are about to continue this impulsive wave, then we are in a perfect spot maybe to get going upwards in the next few days. Okay, so this is pretty bullish for AVAX. Right now though, the volume is decreasing on the daily frame. Even if you see this line, it is the moving average for the volume line. Even if you see it going up, that doesn't mean that we are going to have higher volume on the daily frame. This is because the moving average is lagging behind the action. Okay, whether it is a price action or a volume action, it is lagging a little bit. For example, here we go down, but the moving average is going upwards. It is lagging. Okay, it is very, very healthy, and it is the equation of the moving average that tells us that we are lagging a little bit behind than the action. Okay, so therefore right now you can see that the stochastic RSI is in an oversold, bearish cross on the daily frame, but we have seen multiple times that we might be doing that, and then a bullish recross again. Nothing important on the daily. Let's go to AVAX Bitcoin chart. Below the 50-day MA, 20-day MA crossing down the 50-day MA for the first time after so long, guys. After actually the here after 14 July around, then from that time we haven't seen a bearish cross again, but now we are seeing it. Anyway, in the 4-hour frame, we are not in an overbought or any oversold situation, but we are keep getting the lower high pattern on AVAX Bitcoin chart. This is something that it isn't good. I would love to see if we had a higher low on the RSI that we have now, but at the same time, we should be having a lower low in the price. This would mean a bullish RSI divergence, would be great for AVAX, but now we do not have anything for that. On the daily frame, as you can see, it is very healthy to correct. Such a strong pump up, guys, such a strong pump up. And if I want to use the Fibonacci retracement actually from this bottom right there up to this top. And there we are. We fell a little bit down from the 0 point. Let's see the price label, the 0.3087. We are going maybe to the 0.3076 in case we miss the 20-day MA as a support level, because we have the 20-day MA as well. Let's go now to AVAX on the price analysis, and you can see that we are now on the 1-2 line, gun fan line right here, and we can see that we have some strong resistance levels at the 46, 48, 51. If we are about to go above the 1-2, then probably we should be meeting the 48.70 on 5 September. Maybe we have a nice big bullish rush right here, the 51, but the chances are getting smaller to meet the 51 right now. We should be having a major pump up, and the 51, we might meet it on 11 September if we go to the 2-1 line. But anyway, according to the Ganfan and the Fibonacci retracement, we meet the 48 around here. So eventually, if we're about to go upwards and close above the 50-day MA and as well go above the 1-2 line, maybe we go to the 48 by the 5 September. Or if we are slower and we do not go there, maybe at the 46 by 7 September. Okay, so this is what is happening. This is not a financial advice. It is just something that I want to speculate, and I'm also trying the dates. Okay, I am new to the dates. I was always actually having the price targets. I want to maximize the technical analysis by saying the exact dates. That is the hardest thing to do, and even professional traders do not go close to the dates, okay, because it is very hard especially in such a high volatile market. All right, so therefore I want to see whether these will play out. Remember, if we get above the 1.2 line, for the Ganfan line, 5 September is the 48. And of course, if we get down or a little bit sideways and we go above the 1-2 line, but a little bit after than 5 September, then the 46 Tether USD will play its role around here. Okay, if we cross where the line crosses the Fibonacci retracement lines. All right, so therefore, and always have it in your mind that if we continue to have the 1-2 as a resistance level, then we are probably maybe going down on 7 September to the 33. But the reason I do not believe that is, first of all, Bitcoin's price action that might help us a lot. And secondly, on the daily frame for AVAX, if you can see that, we have seen this before, but let's go in again. The stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation. So that is pretty cool to see, and maybe we have a spike pretty soon. This will be great, and this will allow us to go to the 51 or the 48, guys, by 6 September, right? We might be going to the 48.57 by 6 September in 4 days, or maybe even quicker. If we are about to have an explosion right there, we might be getting on 3rd September or today even at 51, but that will be if we have a little bit of an explosion, right? And this will be the fact that we might be going to 51, but the chances are getting lower and lower each time we do not make something major for that to happen. Okay, so Bitcoin chart is looking fine. Ethereum against Bitcoin now is at the 0.074. We found support level there, and we have the stochastic RSI, as you can see here in an oversold situation, pretty cool, which will help Avalanche go even a little bit higher. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.